Chapter 3, Sloka 15. Karma Brahmodbhavam Vidhi. Karma Brahmodbhavam Vidhi. Karma Brahmodbhavam Vidhi. Brahmakshara Samudbhavam. Brahmakshara Samudbhavam. Brahmakshara Samudbhavam. Karma Brahmodbhavam Vidhi. 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 Brahmakshara Samudbhavam. Tasmat Sarvagatam Brahma. Tasmat Sarvagatam Brahma. Tasmat Sarvagatam Brahma. Nityan Yagne Pratishtitam. Nityan Yagne Pratishtitam. Nityan Yagne Pratishtitam. Tasmat Sarvagatam Brahma. 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 Nityan Yagne Pratishtitam. Karma Brahmodbhavam Vidhi. Brahmakshara Samudbhavam. Tasmat Sarvagatam Brahma. Nityan Yagne Pratishtitam.
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, Sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.